When they go to adopt within the United States, there are a lot of questions, a lot of background checks, as there should be, and there is the look at what the family's finances are. That's a really prickly issue because, on the one hand, you can't quantify a person's ability to parent well based on what money they have, but kids are expensive. So where is that line? I've worked with pet charities, and we would always ask, do you have any idea what it costs to raise a dog? And you're going to do at least that when you're talking about a human child. But where's the line?
Yeah, I don't know where that line is. And I don't, these things are so much bigger than even the adoption process because you're talking about something that is a function of radical economic inequality to begin with, that, we have so many people for whom that, the expense of having a child is overwhelming. Even for those of us who have some means, it's extremely expensive. But, it comes up in subtle ways, too, that not just sort of a check on, a household income, but, when you're doing an open adoption, which is really what most people are doing now domestically, you are writing a letter to the birth mother, which is a sort of marketing document.
Like getting a house.
Yeah.
In San Francisco, you do that to get a house.
Here's why I'll have such great parties at your house. Here's why I make a good parent, or we make good parents for the child that you are considering placing. And, you can see in some of the decisions about how to write that letter, some of that presentation of, middle classness as well. And I saw these stories more as, less as sort of resolving that. I don't know how to resolve that. I don't know where the line is. I'm certainly not in the position of telling people that they're too poor to I mean, that makes no sense to me, but I'm not in control of any of those institutions.
Right.
So this was more, I was thinking, these are the things that people face. These are the structures in which these personal, very, very personal experiences take place.